Welcome to Bell CB. We're doing a tune-up report today on the 29LX with an echo board and an RFX 75 on the back. This is for Tartilo in California. This is what we got out of this one. And I want to mention too that we put I've had a really bad week, and I didn't want anything to go wrong, so I put one of my secret stash RFXs on there. The serial number I know of that does a little bit more than most. So you take notes of that. It's in the 2211 series. The 4011s have been treating me kind of rough. So anyway, I put that one on there. We're going to see a few more watts than your average 29. Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. Today we're looking at a Cobra 29LX with an echo board and an RFX 75. This is for Tartilo in California, and this is a tune-up report. Over here what we got is 0 to 30 watts on the bottom, 10, 20, and 30. So I carry right in there 15 watts like the manufacturer recommends. Now over here I have a 100 watt scale. Looking at the power here, 60, 80, and 100. Now for a few extra watts out of this one, I dug into my secret stash of serial numbered RFXs. And I got me a really good one for this one. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, 1, 2. Let's turn that up a little bit. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, 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 check. Okay. Breaker 19 for radio check. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Well, since the channel's not busy, I just wanted to lay down a quick recording. Audio, check, 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 check. My Cobra 29LX with my RK56 microphone. Audio, check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm back out. I was almost done, and I forgot to show you that it had a Roger beep. So let's just throw a microphone in there real quick. Listen up here. Yeah, that's the switch in the back right here. Turn that on. Check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dead right. Audio. And you can turn that out back here. Okay, that'll be it. Since the channel's not busy, I just wanted to lay down a quick recording. Audio, check, 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 check. My Cobra 29LX with my RK56 microphone. Audio, check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm back out.